All right, today we're going to learn how to use the preposition against. Against means in opposition to something, having hostility towards something or someone, or being in competition with something or someone. Here's an example. Jennifer loved competing against other equestrians in horse races. To guard against the elements, she always wore proper clothing. Her secret weapon against all her competitors was her relationship with her horse. She named him Magic because she was sure he could read her mind. Sometimes she felt it was her and her horse against the world. Magic sometimes seemed like the most constant thing in her life. Magic loved riding out against the wind with his companions. He loved the feeling of freedom. Put these words in the correct order. The sentences should read, Magic and Jennifer rode against the wind. Against all odds, Jennifer and Magic won many races. Jennifer enjoyed competing against other equestrians. What obstacles have you gone up against in your life? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.